remember me from the Automechanika show in Vietnam last year. But this year, I'm at the Automechanika show in Malaysia. This show hosts 330 exhibitors from 17 different countries and regions. And this event is held at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center. This year, with its unique concept, SET, sourcing, entertainment, and training, the attendees not only learn more about automotive industry, but they can also participate in many entertaining activities, which I'm gonna reveal later in this video. So stay tuned at the end of this video. And now, let's follow me to see what's inside the exhibition. Let's go.
The first exhibition is the Auto Service and Maintenance, which displays diagnostic and repair technology, specialized equipment for electric vehicle repair, and ADAS calibration.
Oh my gosh, this service area is so big. Let's follow me to see what's in there.
This is the Collision Repair Training Workshop, which will guide participants through hands-on demonstrations and theoretical discussions. Sessions will cover the most up-to-date industry know-how related to electric vehicle inspection, maintenance, advanced materials, and body repair. Those who join will receive a certificate of attendance.
Wow, that's fantastic. I see there are a lot of promotion here. That means I can save a lot of costs for my car maintenance.
The show has covered full range of automotive products from parts, car care and repair, as well as solution. There's some key brands you might find here, such as Caltex Dello, Launch, Tech Alliance, Brembo, you name it. There's another special zone named Commercial Vehicle Zone has been set up in the show as well. I had a chance to talk to Mr. Dam, president of VAST Group, to see what his expectation about the show.
Khi đến với triển lãm Automechanika ở tại Malaysia thì mình mong chờ ba cái điều. Điều đầu tiên đó chính là mình rất muốn nhìn thấy những cái công nghệ mới về xe điện, đặc biệt là hệ thống pin, hệ thống trạm sạc của xe điện. Và khi mình đến đây mình có tham quan thì mình thấy có rất là nhiều công nghệ về xe điện được trưng bày và hy vọng là những cái công nghệ đó sẽ có mặt ở tại Việt Nam trong triển lãm sắp tới. Cái điều thứ hai đó là những cái công nghệ về thiết bị sửa chữa phục vụ cho người thợ. Thì mình cũng đã thấy rất là nhiều cái sản phẩm được trưng bày ở đây. Và cái điều thứ ba là những cái khu trải nghiệm ngoài trời, đặc biệt như là EMA hoặc là những cái khu DIY người ta tự sửa chữa, chăm sóc xe thì cũng làm cho mình rất là hào hứng.
Besides all the interesting features that Mr. Dam just mentioned, when coming to the show, exhibitors will have a deeper understanding on end-user products, wrapping, accessories, and perfume.
I really want to wrap my car in red color because red is a lucky color. Comment down below what color do you want to wrap your car.
My favorite part of the show is that the attendees can participate in DIY area, dance party with delicious food, and take home these cool Hot Wheels cars.
So much fun at the event today, and if you want to enjoy all the interesting activities and learn more about the auto products and services, don't forget to attend the Automechanika Ho Chi Minh City, which will be held at the Saigon Exhibition and Convention Center, SECC, from June 23rd to June 25th, 2023. Follow our YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in Vietnam. Now, let's play it, watch it, and feel it together.